The Acura Vigor was a mid-sized luxury sedan produced by Honda under its Acura brand from 1990 to 1994 in North America. It was positioned between the smaller Acura Integra and the larger Acura Legend. Acura Vigor overview. Model years 199 to 1994. Class: mid-size luxury sedan. Body style: four-door sedan. Layout: front engine, front-wheel drive FF. Platform: Honda CB chassis. Engine and performance. Engine: 2.5L G5A1 inline-5, 176 horsepower, 170 pounds ft torque. Transmission: 5-speed manual, 4-speed automatic. Horsepower: 176 horsepower, 131 kilowatts. Torque: 170 pounds-foot, 231 newton meters. 0 to 60 miles per hour, approximately 8.5 seconds. Fuel economy: approximately 19 to 25 mpg. Notable features: longitudinally mounted inline-5 engine, rare for FWD cars. Luxury interior with leather seats and wood trim. 4-wheel double wishbone suspension for better handling. Driver's side airbag standard in later models. Available sunroof and premium sound system. Successor: the Acura Vigor was replaced by the Acura TL in 1996. Would you like information on pricing or used models?